Hey, what's up, coin hunters, and welcome to £100 in £2 coins with me, Richie. So I have a feeling, as the £2 coin videos have been going the last couple of months, this is going to be super quick because there's not been much around. And first bag, 0 finds, just all technologies. Next bag, let's see if there's anything interesting. Will there be? I don't know. We're still looking for that England Commonwealth Games. Oh, there's something interesting. First World War, HMS Belfast, but it's just a regular one. There is like stuff up here where it's like looks like a flag, and then some people say cat that's sitting on the top there, but that's just a normal one. Nice find there. Right, next bag. Here we go. Bag number 3. Is there going to be anything in bag number 3? Yes, there is. Just throw them there. We'll sort them out in a minute. And it's the steam locomotives from 2004. Very cool. All right, next bag. Bag number 4. Is there going to be anything in this one? Yes, there is. Get the right way around. I don't know if that's the right way round. Is there a right way round? There we go. Florence Nightingale. Checking the pulse. Very cool. Anything else? Yep. Yeah, is it Act of Union? 4 finds so far, and that was it in that bag. Right, final bag. We're going to get lucky and have one more find. Yes, we are. And it's another World War I. First World War. So I think there was a set of these ones that was over a few years. Anything else? No. So not bad. 5 finds. So 10% of the 100 were commemoratives. So let's have a look and see what we got. So we got that one, Act of Union, Florence Nightingale. If I can get into position, there we go. Steam locomotive, the World War I, HMS Belfast, and the other World War I from 2016. So not bad. 5 finds out of £100. So guys, if you've made it this far, thank you very, very much in this super long video. I appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. So take care, guys, and happy coin hunting. Goodbye.